I can't win. I can't be satisfied with anything I've tried, and he knows that my heart is true within. It's been 3 years since I've had anyone to talk to. It's feeling like this just might be the end. Ever since the day that I lost my way, big 12-gauge shotgun, you have been my only friend. You were the only thing that I never sold. I even hawked the shit that we both stole. Big 12-gauge shotgun we both own. Fire and brimstone, destined to be my eternal fate. Deeds I've done you might recall. You've been my fighting partner through it all. 12-gauge shotgun we both own. Fire and brimstone, we're destined to be my eternal. St. Peter's gonna ever let me through that gate. Even so, for the end I cannot wait. 12-gauge shotgun we both know. Fire and brimstone, we're destined to be my eternal fate. 12-gauge shot